Welcome to PureTalk's In the Know video series. Now that you've joined us, we want to make sure moving your phone number to PureTalk goes as smoothly as possible. In this video, we're going to talk about how to transfer your number from T-Mobile to PureTalk. Now, even though it's a simple process, there are multiple steps. This video will guide you through each of those steps and answer any questions you might have. So don't worry, we're here to help. There is one more thing you should know right off the bat though. It's important you do not cancel your current service. Once your phone number transfers to PureTalk, the other service will automatically be canceled. If you want to touch base with your previous carrier to make sure, contact them after your PureTalk number transfer is complete. So leave your current service alone, okay? This next step is an easy one. To make sure the transfer process goes smoothly, you'll need some information on hand. This includes your account number, number transfer PIN, and your billing address. Write down all of this information to make things easy. To locate your account number, check the T-Mobile app or your online account. Now, if you have a T-Mobile prepaid account, or if your account is bundled, you'll need to call T-Mobile and speak with an agent to retrieve your account number. To get your transfer PIN, you have a few options. You can download and log into the T-Mobile app. Once there, select Account and choose Line Settings. Then, select Request a Transfer PIN and follow the directions on the screen. You can also go to tmobile.com and sign into your account. There, select Account in the top right corner. Then choose Profile Settings, and from there, select Line Settings. Bear in mind that your transfer PIN is temporary and valid for only 7 days. If you go past the 7-day mark, it will expire, and you will need to request a new one. So now you have all the necessary information to port your number to PureTalk and activate your SIM card. But before you start the activation process, let's make sure the device you'll be using is ready for it. If you purchased a phone with us, you're ready. But if you plan on bringing your current phone, let's go over a few extra steps to make sure it all goes smoothly. Most phones are compatible with PureTalk, but if you want to be sure, you can go to puretalk.com and use our Check Your Phone feature. You'll need your IMEI number to do that. If you don't know what that is or how to find it, take a moment to watch our other video on it. You'll also need to make sure your phone is unlocked for other carriers. We'll go over this in the next few steps. Now that your phone is compatible with us, it's time to unlock it. Unlocking your phone means that your phone works with any carrier, not just your previous one. Most carriers will let you unlock your phone after it's been fully paid off. To unlock your phone, sign into your account on tmobile.com. Select the phone line you want to bring over, then select Check Device Unlock Status. You can also call T-Mobile at the number on the screen, and an agent will unlock the phone for you. Once you've confirmed your phone is compatible and unlocked, you'll need to make sure the software on your phone is updated to the latest version. Simply go to Settings, then General, and click on Software Update. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to activate your SIM card and request your number transfer. To do so, visit puretalk.com/activate/start. There, choose which type of SIM card you purchased, physical or eSIM, and follow the instructions on screen. For SIM cards, you'll need your SIM card number, which is on the back of the SIM card you got in the mail, as well as your registered email address and billing address. For eSIM, you'll need to use the IMEI number on your device. If you purchase a SIM card, let's go over how to properly insert it on your phone. Most phones have the SIM card tray on the side, which can be ejected using a paper clip. If you can't find the tray, it's probably under your phone's battery. Just remove it and you'll find the slot there. Simply locate the small hole near the edge of your phone, insert the paper clip, and gently push until the tray pops out. Next, let's talk about SIM card sizes. SIM card slots come in 3 sizes: regular, micro, and nano. Looking at your SIM card tray, match it with the corresponding SIM card size. Most modern phones use nano SIM cards, but it's always best to double check. Carefully detach the SIM card from its holder. Make sure you don't break it or hold it by the gold chip, or you'll risk damaging it. Once you've detached the correct size, gently place the SIM card into the slot on the tray. Make sure it's positioned correctly before carefully sliding the tray back into your phone. There you have it. You've completed your transition to PureTalk. Of course, if you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out to us.